Hello everyone, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I'm going to show you how to fix DPC underscore QUEUE underscore eexecution underscore timeout underscore eexceeded. In Windows 11, to fix this error, click on the Start menu, type CMD. After appearing the command prompt, right click on it, click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes. After opening the command prompt, type the command DISM space / online space / cleanup hyphen image space / restore health. Press enter. It will take some time. Commands are available under the description. After finishing the first command, type another command SFC space / can now. Press enter. Please wait. It will also take some time. After finishing this process, restart the computer. Both commands are available under the description. After restarting the computer, hope your problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.